Something terrifying is happening in Iceland. A long dormant fault line has roared back to life after 800 years of silence. Lava is now flowing through the town of Grindavík, and scientists fear this is just the beginning. Could Iceland be on the verge of a new volcanic age? Let's dive in. Iceland is one of the most volcanically active places on Earth. It sits right on the mid-Atlantic ridge, where two massive tectonic plates, the Eurasian and North American plates, are pulling apart. This constant movement fuels the country's many volcanoes, but for nearly 800 years, one region remained eerily silent, the Reykjanes Peninsula. That silence was shattered in 2021 when the peninsula erupted for the first time in centuries. Since then, the eruptions have been coming faster and more frequently, 4 in just the last few years. And now, in 2025, Iceland is facing one of its most unpredictable volcanic events yet. On March 3, 2025, magma burst through the surface with little warning, sending lava racing toward Grindavík, a small fishing town southwest of Reykjavik. Fortunately, most residents had been evacuated after earlier warnings, but the eruption still caused significant damage. This came just weeks after another eruption rocked the same region in February. Patrick Allard, a researcher at the Institut de Physique du Globe de Paris, believes the region has entered a new phase of tectonic activity. In other words, Iceland's volcanic clock has reset. And this could go on for years. So, what does this mean for Iceland? Well, beyond the immediate danger to residents, there are 3 major concerns. First, infrastructure. The Svartsengi geothermal power plant, which provides electricity and water for 30,000 people, lies dangerously close to the eruption site. If the lava keeps coming, this critical facility could be at risk. Second, Iceland's tourism industry. The world-famous Blue Lagoon, yes, that Instagram-famous hot spring, has been forced to shut down. If these eruptions keep happening, tourism could take a massive hit. And third, the big unknown. What comes next? Could we see an underwater eruption? If magma meets seawater, it could trigger explosive, ash-filled blasts like the Eyjafjallajökull eruption in 2010, the one that grounded flights all across Europe. Right now, scientists are closely monitoring the buildup of pressure beneath the surface. The biggest fear? That these eruptions are just a preview of something much bigger. The Reykjanes Peninsula could be awakening into an era of sustained volcanic activity that lasts for decades, or even centuries. So what do you think? Are we witnessing the start of a new volcanic age in Iceland? Could this turn into a disaster on a global scale? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the world's most fascinating discoveries. LG News.